Hi, I'm Benedette Vainomsha, your #1 health services researcher. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to look at descriptive, exploratory, and explanatory studies. And we are going to see how all these come together to help influence your research. So, exploratory study, according to the Merriam-Webster dictionary, to explore means to analyze, to investigate, to understand. So, in terms of research, what does the exploratory design actually imply? So, exploratory research design addresses one or more exploratory questions such as behavior, attitudes, knowledge, perceptions, and experiences. So, like we talked about what explore means, investigate, analyze. So, this you're exploring either attitudes, knowledge, perceptions, or experiences. So it seeks to describe and categorize rather than quantify. So that means that it's more qualitative in nature. So employs qualitative methodology and adopts a phenomenological perspective. What if you have not yet understood what phenomenology means? It's more about meanings, the meanings that are attached to what people say, the meanings that are attached to the experiences of people, the lived experiences. That is the phenomenological approach, more about the understanding meanings that people draw from situations, understanding contexts within which people interact, identifying an unanticipated phenomena, or gaining insight in underlying issues or processes in social life, or developing cause explanations of human activity and interactions. So basically it is more qualitative in nature, adapts a phenomenological approach, focuses on describing and categorizing rather than quantifying, and also endeavors to answer exploratory questions regarding behaviors, attitudes, knowledge, perceptions, and experiences. So still about exploratory studies. So these ones usually occur in natural settings like and they take a holistic approach to understanding. And usually they employ convenience sampling strategy in order to obtain subjects with certain characteristics. So we see that the sample size is linked to the theoretical rather than the statistical significance under the exploratory study. Under exploratory studies, typical data collection techniques include unstructured interviews, focus group discussions, observation, and observation choices may include participant, participant observer, observer participant, and observer. It also involves review of documentary sources, and these types include formal, informal sources, public or private sources. So on the screen, I'm going to share an image credited to Miss Juliana from the School of Public Health, Makerere University. So the interchange and overlap of stages in exploratory studies. So we see start with question formation, then we go to the research design, then we go to data collection, then we go to data analysis. Major challenges under the exploratory studies include gaining access to samples in the naturalistic setting and managing the researcher role. So settings may be visible or invisible, open or closed. For example, working with a sex worker. And the identity that the researcher takes on has implications for the study. For example, if the PI is the interviewer. So if you have any questions, please hit the questions, and we shall explore more about exploratory research studies.